Take one part of your hair and roll it upwards like this, making it a plait and removing that plait again. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of a circle and give it a trendy look with your favorite backpin decorated, giving it a ribbony look. Take one part of your hair, roll it upwards like this, just as shown in the video. Then take another part of your hair, roll it again upwards. It should give it a perfect look. If it doesn't, do the same process again. See how messy and beautiful it looks. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then insert few sections of that ponytail through the plaited parts of the hair. Then roll the plaited parts inside to and fro from that ponytail, giving it a mushy look. Take the remaining part, tie it with a rubber band, insert it properly inside and secure it with a bobby pin. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Take your favorite bobby pin and secure it properly, giving it a twisty look. Then take another part and secure it tightly again with the same bobby pin. Do the same process again and again so that your hair looks like a circle. See, it's done. How easy it was. Take one part of your hair and make it in the form of a rubber band. Then take one part and with the help of a clipper, roll it upwards properly. Make it in the form of a circle. Take the remaining part of the hair and pull it outside. Take one part of your hair and with the help of a 5-legged bobby pin, take the remaining part, tie it in the form of a rubber band, giving it a ribbony look. Then along with the help of the 5-legged back pin, secure it properly to the upper part of your hair. Make it look clean. Take one part of your hair, divide it into two and with the help of a clipper, secure it properly. Then take hair from the sides of your head and insert properly inside that clipper. Thank you for watching.